What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and review video on this video conferencing ring light from Kaeiss, spelled K-A-I-E-S-S. At least I think that's how you pronounce it. Now they did send me this ring light to unbox and review, but as usual I'm going to tell you the pros and cons I feel are worth sharing when I review this product. Now since this is a simple ring light with a built-in clamp, I don't expect this video to be a long in-depth review. So this will probably be a very short video. Anyways, stay tuned and we'll get to it. Now as you can see, this ring light from Kaeiss comes in pretty plain packaging. In fact, I don't see the manufacturer's name anywhere on this box. This retails for about $17 on Amazon, and if you want one for yourself after watching my review, I'll leave a link in the description section below. So let's start by unboxing this thing. The first thing you'll notice is that the packaging is simple, which is not always a bad thing. It's just got a diagram of the light itself, some basic specs, and that's about it. Now it doesn't even have the manufacturer's name or logo on it. Now what you do get is your standard user manual that has a couple of pages explaining the various settings and functions of the light itself. And aside from that, not much else except for the ring light itself, which has a USB connector, as well as a built-in multifunctional controller, and is made up of some pretty good quality plastic. You also get a detachable clamp that has a pretty solid feeling bendable neck that can screw right into the ring lamp itself. Now for the price, I wasn't expecting that much, but let's go ahead and see how it works. Now as you can see, there's not much to this ring light. The base clamp itself is made up of a pretty durable feeling aluminum material, and the flexible neck feels very solid. The ring light is made up of a thick plastic material and is roughly 6 inches in diameter. Now according to the manufacturer, it's made to be used in conference calls, however it can also be used for live streams, web broadcasts, and pretty much any other kind of video or recording playback or pictures. Assembly is pretty easy and you simply just screw the ring light into the stand itself and you're all set up. Now the clamp itself is pretty tough, so you can clip and mount this virtually anywhere. It's got a built-in controller on the USB cable that allows you to turn the ring light on and off, as well as a mode button to toggle between 3 different lighting modes: warm, warm white, and white. There's also up and down arrows to increase and decrease the brightness levels for all 3 different modes. And according to the instructions, each mode has 10 brightness levels between 1 and 100%, which I guess means a 10% variance in brightness with each press of the buttons. So this is the on button, turns it on. The mode button switches between the 3 different modes, and then the up and down arrows adjust the brightness level. So as you can see, it can get pretty bright and has a range between 3200K to 6500K, so it can definitely light up your space. If you need more flexibility, you can also mount this light to different tripods thanks to the standard mounting screw hole on the bottom of the light itself. And because it's powered by USB, no batteries are needed, which is always a good thing. I'd say the only downside, if you can consider it a downside, is that it doesn't come with a power brick, in cases where you don't have an available USB port. But for the price, it's definitely not a showstopper. Now for $17, this little ring light does a great job and is a competitive solution to more expensive ring lights out there. And this one is super portable. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing and review, and if you want one of your own, check out the link I left in the description section below. Now before you leave, please support this channel by smashing that like button and subscribing. And since I'm constantly unboxing and reviewing hardware and tech, please go ahead and ring that bell icon to get notified when I post new content. Until next time, see ya.